I learned how to say cute in Korean. It's 귀여워, right?
Yes, use 귀여워 when you see something cute.
귀여워! Look at that fluffy cat.
That cat? He looks so grumpy.
귀여워! He's angry cute. I learned how to say expensive in Korean. It's 비싸, right?
Yep, that's right. Say 비싸 when something costs too much.
Whoa! 비싸! This tiny cake costs $20?
Yep, welcome to luxury dessert.
I learned how to say I'll order in Korean. It's 주문할게요, right?
That's right. Use it when you're ready to order.
주문할게요. One table, please.
You're already sitting at a table.
Oh no, did I just try to order furniture? I learned how to say a lot in Korean. It's money, right?
That's right. Use it when you want more of something.
Excuse me, 고기 많이 주세요.
Wow, you're really hungry.
Hungry? No, I'm stocking up for winter.
I can't eat anymore.
You ate 5 bowls of rice.
I'm so full. I can't move.
Peberla means I'm full in Korean.
Oh, Pebula, let's go eat dessert now.
What's 사과?
It means apple in Korean.
사과 주스 주세요.
Wait, 사과 also means apology.
So, I just ordered apology juice?